Hello, I wanted to show you how very short set the time settings on your microwave from Bosch. The symbol of this, or number of this microwave is exactly this one, BER634GB 1/07. And how to do it. For example, if the power supply will be, or the device will be disconnected, then you will lose the settings here, especially for clock. And when the power supply will be starting up, then you will have the time setting wrong after a few seconds. And then how to proceed? You need to turn it off microwave like this. Push this single button 3 seconds, and now you are able to change the settings on your microwave. If this done, means the clock settings and all of the settings that you need is set. You need to press this again, and then you will have information that is set. Thank you so much.